To change the default installation file directory, you need to open Registry Editor. Just search registry editor on the search bar and open it. Once you're here, click on H key local machine and expand software. Search for Microsoft and expand it. Later, search for Windows and expand it. Now click on current version and you will find the directory locations over here. To change these file directory locations, you need to copy address of the new location. For that, go to the new location destination. Say in my case, I've saved in data hard disk or hard drive. So this is my SSD and this is my hard drive, and I have saved my program files destination over here. Just copy this link or any link where you want to save these installation files and double click on this program files and paste it over here. Similarly for 32-bit applications installation folder, copy and just double click on the directory and paste. Now we have changed the default installation directory for 64-bit applications as well as 32-bit applications. Once you restart the PC, the changes will apply. Thank you.